guys, or afternoon wherever you're at. It is currently it's currently 7:15 over here. It is April 12th. I am getting ready to go to the airport. I got all my stuff ready, so I just wanted to vlog this for you guys. We are coming from East Coast to California. Our flight will be at 11:58, which is a really odd number. So we are going to head to the airport. I'm gonna head over to my friend's place, and then we are gonna Uber to the airport. So I will vlog my way through this weekend for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And always remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Oh, my fingers are weird. What is this? Okay, catch you guys soon. Bye. Miss Swaggy, hi.
Hi.
Let's see your hair. So cute. She just got her hair done. And this guy's talking over me. So we're at the airport. Waiting. We're recording Angela. She's over here. Zoom.
I'm so lonely.
Oh, look, she's looking. Hi.
Hi.
We're about to eat In-N-Out burger. This is the first meal since flying here.
Go.
You're supposed to do that first. Oh my god. Okay. So we're here at our place, and it's so cold. Hi. Do we have a trash can? Oh. Ooh. Cute. This is nice. Palm trees. What's over here? Wow, cute. Cute. You did? It was the wrong house. I got so excited. No, wait.
I was like, I thought her car darker. And then it just has a Nevada license plate on it.
I was like, do I?
This is our room. Okay, it's currently, what time is it? 9:49. But on the East Coast it's actually like 1 in the morning, so we're really tired. I just woke up. This is our bathroom. Looks really cute. These cabinets are so huge. Yeah, so I just want to show you guys. Look how rad this bathroom is. It's so nice. Anyways, I'm going to, don't mind that water. I'm going to get ready in a little bit. Today's our first day at Coachella. So as soon as we do that, I'm gonna get ready. I'll show you guys the vlog. We're gonna go get breakfast and shop a little bit, and then we're gonna go to Coachella around like 4 p.m. or so. So I'll show you guys the place then. Bye. Coffee in the morning. Cheers.
Yeah, it's okay. It's $2, man.
We are going into the entrance, right, Hank? Yeah. You ready? You excited? Audrey, are you excited? You're so covered up. Jin, you excited? Yeah. You can't even tell who he is because he has no mask on. So excited! So excited! Dirt out of our ears. I know, blowing our nose. It is really hot here. You guys like the outfit? You guys like their outfit? more miles till we get there. How's that churro? Yeah. Angela's looking for somebody. Oh wait, hi! Drag your best friend to this mix.
Let me see your outfit, girl. Yes, girl.
Put on a mask, put the whole 9 on. It's gonna rub off the highlighter, but whatever. So call out my name. Call out my name when I kissed you so gently. Hi, here's to day 2.
Woo! Hey.
How's everybody feeling? How are you feeling? She got cramps.
I'm surviving.
Okay, good. How are you feeling? Good. Gucci. How are you feeling?
Vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Hi.
He's fucked up. He's also fucked up.
Hi.
He was wrong. Her feet hurt.
We're just chilling.
It's hot. Very.
We're half naked too.
So we just got some food. This is my foot-long, what did I get? The Godzilla for $16. And now we're waiting for V to get her food. This is Katsuno dog. Hi Angela, thank you for holding my hot dog. Kyle. Yay, we got her food. Let me see. Do you want any you want hot sauce? Sriracha or something?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Good morning. It is day 3 of Coachella. Hello. Day 3 of Coachella. We are currently getting some coffee.
What time is it?
2:14. Yes. Follow. We are on Alho Road. Alho. Palm Canyon Drive. Just in case anybody ever wants to go here and get some coffee. The place is called Coffee. With a K. Like the Kardashians. Coffee with a K. Devil in a hole. We go. Boy, let's go. We go get some coffee. So how's everybody feeling? The souvenir, you want to go in there after? See if we can find some stuff at Just Fabulous.
Golden Girls superhero. Superhero? Superhero?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. Me help her. Okay. Now we're good. Yeah, we're good. I was trying to get you in it. That's epic. When I go and watch, they were filing paper and doing It's a doggy in the coffee shop. How cute! So cute. Hi! I love doggies. Coffee.
We're not allowed to bring food in
Where?
into the
Coachella? Yeah, I don't think we're supposed to bring it.
not even
Snack. Snack.
yeah.
I don't think so. I think that's what the... Am I recording myself? Let me see her badge. GA says for general admission, guys, not Georgia. Mine's really tight.
But then if it's
Have ice mocha for Gina?
Thank you. I got my coffee. I gotta get a straw. Got our coffee. She got a gluten-free donut. So this here is
it recording? Oh,
yeah, it's red. This here is mocha, dark roast, ice
Sure.
with whipped cream.
now drink it.
What'd you get? It's a mocha dark roast iced coffee with whipped cream. Try it. Just record me doing one. Yeah. I'm gonna go see the garden. Chocolate. So good. Oh, it just smells like that out here. Right? It smells bad. Where are we going? Just looking at the garden. Let me zoom in on him. He's just staring at us. So, just see how they would get married here. Or like right in this spot.
2 slices of pizza. Bam, bring it up.
Testing. Coachella 2018. Ubers to your right and shuttles to your left. Taxis to your right.
Airplane to the up.
Airplane up. Private jets.
Yeah, oh my God. Okay, we're good. We're done for the night. Thank you. That was fun. You do.
What does that do? Chia?
Cheers. I'm having tomato soup and turkey BLT and a macaroni.